Hey guys, it's Yuki, and today we're going to be unboxing something that just came in the mail. And if you read the title, you probably know what it is already. Anyway, let's go ahead and get to that unboxing table because I don't want to wait any longer to go ahead and get these in my hands. Anyway, here we go. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now, I'm going to hope that I don't mess up talking because I have to do this in one take. Go ahead and cut that. Cut that. I should not cut towards myself, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. Try getting that little part right there. Bro. There. Cut it open. Alright, let's get that first look at these. Oh yeah. I'm not trying to hide all my private information. So you guys can't see that. But first thing that's in the box, the buds. See? And then you have this little thank you note from Samsung. Thanks, Samsung. It says thank you for purchasing your new Galaxy device. Now, I'm pretty sure this is still not going, but it was an offer. If you act quick enough and you pre-ordered your S10, you get the Galaxy Buds with it. Anyway, let's go ahead and get some shots of this, and then I'll come back to this table.
Asking myself what's wrong with my head.
Alright, I think that's enough semis. Anyway, I'm just itching to go ahead and get ready to set these up with my phone. Now, we're gonna, let's see, I'm going to just open these on camera. I'm gonna try to get a close up. Hopefully it'll focus. Use this cringy karambit knife I got for $10 on Wish. Not sponsored by Wish, by the way. Let's go ahead and open these. The stupid camera will hopefully focus. I'm sorry, camera, I love you. Alright. For the oh yeah, look at that. Alright, so what you get in here, see what this is. These are all your extra accessories for your buds. So you have this little over piece, and then you got the ear tip piece. Now, just gonna go ahead and try to dump those out without actually dumping them out. Just neatly dump it. Oh, I heard something. Just one little tiny thing left in there. Alright, so that's probably a bad idea because now they're not sorted. You have your USB cable. See, this is a USB-C, just like the Samsung S10 and S8 and S9. And here is the charging case. Now, I'm gonna try to just look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Now I got the earbuds in here. Oh snap. Alright. Alright, we're back. Let's go ahead and just clean up the table. I actually put everything back somewhat neatly inside the box. So let's go ahead and keep this right here. Alright. Let's see how to set these babies up. Go ahead and open the case. Oh yeah. Now, I'm guessing I'd have to get my phone. Enable Bluetooth. There we go. Galaxy Buds. Now this is starting the pairing process. I'm not sure if you guys can see that screen. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this up closer to you, just so you can see. It's asking to access all the files on my phone. It's also telling me that my battery on these are low. Anyway, I'm going to keep these right next to my phone. This is crucial because if you're too far, it's not going to have enough, you know, like travel distance for it to connect. Alright, there we go. It's asking for more stuff, more permissions, and I'm going to press OK. Alright. All apps. Well, all my apps on here. Alright. So it's telling us of some of the features on these little pods. You have the touchpad. Now you can use that to play, answer call, triple tap to play the previous track, and touch and hold to, or you can use bind that, it's like a macro, or you can use it to decline the call. Got ambient noise protection, so pretty much noise cancellation. All you gotta do is tap on each bud, do it, and then if you want to charge them with your phone, we go ahead and go to settings. Alright, going to find the wireless power share, click it on. Alright, now it's ready to charge. All we gotta do is just, and those babies are charging. See that little red little light there? It means they're charging. That's pretty cool. I think on the camera it looks a little bit yellowish, but it's red. It is red. I'm positive it is red. I don't think I'm colorblind. Anyway, I'm gonna do a video on these once I have a little bit more experience with them, and I'll see you guys back. Anyway, peace out.